Pero wala nang nakahangin. Hanging garden pero walang hangin. Yan lang yung nakita kong parang hanging plants. Ito lang. Maganda naman dito pag with family. Kaso lang ngayon, tag-ulan. So, yun nga, tag-ulan. Hindi maganda. Pero maganda siya. Tayo. Kaya, nandito na tayo. Arang nga nang umatras tayo dahil sa ulan mo. Pagastos na tayo. Tapos atras pa tayo. Hindi. Ituloy natin yung pagbablog na to. Total wala namang kidlat. Pag nagkidlat, uwi na. Ulan lang naman. Hindi naman siya biglang umulan ngayon dito sa India. So, look at them. Welcome again guys to Marine Drive. Yeah. It's raining. Yes.
4 kilometers.
Logo. At least there are trees. There's trees. They use the trees as umbrella.
You going?
Huh?
Go?
Yeah, not that.
Huh?
Later in the beach, you have umbrella, right?
Yeah, this is umbrella.
In the beach, later. Oh, di ba? Kahit tag-ulan. Kahit tag-ulan, ilaban natin itong pag-vlog na ito. We're in Chapati Beach. Chapati Beach. Ang ganda guys. Ang ganda. O, tingnan niyo. May mga kainan doon. Kaso grabe ang ulan. Ang lakas. Naglalaro sila. Pero punta natin. Siyempre, nandito na tayo. Kaya, nandito na tayo. Arang nga nang umatras tayo dahil sa ulan mo. Pagastos na tayo. Tapos atras pa tayo. Hindi. Ituloy natin yung pagbablog na to. Total wala namang kidlat. Pag nagkidlat, uwi na. Ulan lang naman. Hindi naman siya makidlat. So let's go there. Ang ganda lang. Akala ko walang beach dito. Sorry naman. Akala ko walang beach dito sa inyo. Ito yung Chapati Beach. Chapati Beach pala, nasa mga movies din nila to dito. May mga nagsushooting din dito. Dahil sa mga movies. Arapilis. Ayan yung kotse. Ayan yung kotse ko. Convenient rin din na mag-hire kayo talaga ng pag sa ganitong weather, parang convenient. Next proponent kanina. I like the beach, you know. The vibe there is very nice. People are enjoying.
Yeah.
Especially the waves.
Yes.
See? Even it's raining too much.
Yeah.
But you know, if there's thunder, it's dangerous.
Yeah.
They should get away from there.
Yes.
That's why I go there.
Yeah.
Because I no, there's no thunder, only raining. Not thunder. Because most of the time, there's a thunder strike wind like that.
Yeah, okay. This now time rain. This is too much and the client coming. Too much people.
But now, like that, it's good also to go to the beach.
Yeah. Sure. And people coming and the sea.
Even there,
Open here.
not allowed to go inside.
Yeah, inside.
Hi friends, it is the Jam Temple Resort. Natatakot ako tumawid. Ang bibilis yung mga sasakyan. Jam Temple. That's Jan Temple.
Yes.
Located in
Malwar Hill.
Malwar Hill.
Yes.
It's also nice. But I was already overwhelmed with the temple in Thailand.
Yes.
There's a lot of temple in Thailand.
Yeah.
So I don't have to explore anything. Only this place. I like this place.
Yes.
Now I will go to the hanging garden.
Hanging garden. First I'm going parking and then tea. Huh?
Okay.
You have tea? Like?
Yeah.
You get tea? We go to now you, me and the tea and then walk. Hanging garden. Okay?
Okay.
Yes.
I think there's a lot of tourists here, no?
Huh?
There's a lot of tourists.
Another tourist here.
Because there's tourist bus. Is that the tourist
No, no,
bus?
no. This one government bus.
Garmin?
Yes.
Ah, for the Garmin.
Government bus.
Ah, so there are Garmin factory here?
Yeah, the government factory.
Here?
Yeah. Kulaba.
This area?
Yeah.
It looks like this area is very good. What's that?
Hanging garden.
Oh, I shall go to hanging garden.
Yeah. Kamala Nehru Park.
Nehru Park.
Kamala Nehru Park.
Oh, it's close?
This one hanging garden.
Yeah.
And then Kamala Nehru Park.
This one is hanging garden.
Yes.
Kamla Nehru Park.
Nehru Park. And then this one Buddha House.
There's a lot of
Buddha House. Buddha House.
boat house.
Buddha House.
Ah, Bota.
Ah, Buddha House. All people coming here, Buddha House.
Where's the entrance of hanging garden?
This one hanging garden. And then Buddha House.
Okay.
This is
Gusto ko din mag-tea, pero mamaya na lang. Mag-explore muna ako ng garden na. Let's go to this garden. Explore ko tong hanging garden na to ng Mumbai. Kahit maulan, hala, sige, padayon. Ganun talaga. Hindi tayo dapat magpapapigil. Kahit na maulan, sige lang. I like this one. Sabi kasi nila, need to explore ko dito. So I'm here. So kahit maulan, let's go. Even if it's raining, let's go. Dahil pupugi yung gano'n. Ah, this is the hanging garden. So where is the hanging? It's not hanging. It's in the land. Ah. So kaya po siya hanging garden kasi may mga ganun. Buti na lang walang ulan. Walang dugdog. Walang kidlat. Kasi pag may kidlat, bawal yung mga open air na ganito. Siguro dyan may fountain dyan dati. Oh guys, kung pupunta ka ng India, pwede kayo dito sa hanging garden pag may jowa kayo. Tapos pwede kayo mag-dito. May mga upuan naman dito kasi lang maulan ngayon. So dahil maulan, wala yung mga namamasyal. Nagtipon-tipon yung mga namamasyal. Doon nakasiling sa ulan. This is the hanging garden. Pero wala nang nakahangin. Hanging garden pero walang hangin. Yan lang yung nakita kong parang hanging plants. Ito lang. Maganda naman dito pag with family. Kaso lang ngayon, tag-ulan. So, yun nga, tag-ulan. Hindi maganda. Pero maganda siya. Alam mo, may mga ganito sa Pilipinas. Ganyan. Time for dates. Dahil alam nyo, mga nag-dates, yung mga jowa. Ayan, yung hanging garden mo. Ayan, Daisy. Mapaputikan yung aking shoes. Teka lang ko ng May hanging tower. Green Garden Group. Experience confirmed that friends who regularly meet at walk in the garden have remained healthy and fit for the day. Oh. Philippines. Yeah. Only me. You're guarding here? You go here run also? Okay, mashallah. So you are in group here. You are in group with friends. You're ready, Nakarentot siya. You're living here in Mumbai. Okay. Bandra. Okay. Is that nice if too much rain, no?